Repairing a cracked bumper is a manageable task that can save you money and restore the look of your vehicle. Whether it's a minor crack or a more noticeable break, follow these steps to get your bumper looking as good as new. Start by examining the damage closely. If possible, remove the bumper to see the full extent of the crack and check for hidden damage. This will help you decide if a repair is enough or if a replacement is needed. Use premium cloth protection tape to cover the edges of the bumper. This will protect nearby areas from sanding, drilling, and paint overspray, ensuring a clean and neat finish. To prevent the crack from spreading, drill 2 holes at each end of the crack. The holes should be about 6 mm in diameter, which will create a barrier to stop the crack from worsening. Sand both the front and back of the cracked area with medium grit sandpaper. This removes any remaining damage and helps the repair materials bond better to the plastic. Apply epoxy to both the front and back of the bumper. Start at the back, smoothing the application with a spreader, then move to the front. Let it dry before moving on to the next step. Once the epoxy has dried, sand the area again to create a smooth base for the body filler. The edges should be feathered, and there should be a slight dip where the crack was. Apply pre-mixed automotive body filler to the repair area, following the curves of the bumper. Smooth it over with a spreader, ensuring a professional finish. Let it dry and then sand lightly to prepare for painting. Finally, start by applying primer, then add a few coats of the base color, allowing each layer to dry before proceeding. Finish with clear coat layers. Allow everything to cure, revealing a smooth, polished finish. By following these steps, your bumper will look like new and be ready for use again.